Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. In today's video, we're covering the paid versus free version of Indigo PDF. We're going to cover all of the different features that are available in the free version or the paid version, as well as the price differences. Before we jump into this video, if you're interested in purchasing genuine Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll put links down below. So without further ado, let's jump in. All right, so we will be briefly demoing Indigo PDF Tools in this video. However, we do have a full overview guide, and if you want to see that, click the link to the video right here. All right, so in this video, we already have Indigo PDF downloaded and installed, again, just for a quick demo. But we're going to start on the website, and we'll walk you guys through the different pricing and plans that are available. All right, so here we are on indigopdf.com. We're on the pricing and plan page. So the basic version of Indigo PDF, this is going to include the multi-tool and the page operations. So let me pull up the application so we can actually look at what that is. Go to the Home tab here, and I'll go ahead and sign in. Okay, so we have multi-operations. That's going to include the multi-tool. So this is your basic merge, rotate, rearrange. This is like you put in a PDF that you kind of need to reorient. That's what this tool is for. We have view, annotate, or add text or images. So this is like an editing page where we can edit on top of the existing PDF. And then we also have the pipeline advanced. So these three features are included in the free version, as well as all of the page operations. So we can merge, split, organize, rotate, remove, and so on. And a pretty important one here that I use very frequently is the sign. So we can, get a PDF signed with our signature and date and get that back over to another party if we're signing documents. So I use this one probably most frequently out of everything here. There are some cool features like adjust colors and contrast. We can crop, delete unwanted pages. So pretty handy stuff. The page operations are probably your most typical edits that you would make to a PDF. The premium version essentially includes everything else. So our convert section, again, that's all of these here, our security operations section, and the miscellaneous operations section. So if you want access to any of the converts where you can convert an image to PDF or convert PDF to Word, all these different options here, encryption, change permissions, watermark, sign with certificate, sanitize, it's one of our unique features. And then all of these miscellaneous options as well. We've got the OCR, which is a cool feature. Basically lets you take images and convert it into text that have a PNG of let's say a screenshot of a Word document. It would convert that back into text. And then we have all these other features as well. So all of these are only available in the premium version. Now, when it comes to pricing, again, the free is completely $0, no credit card required, as we can see. We also get a full 14-day trial of the platinum and gold packages, also with no credit card required. And then the platinum is a yearly billing cycle, which saves you about $20, whereas the monthly billing cycle of the premium version, the gold version, is $9.99 a month. All right, guys, that's going to do it for today's video. If you have any questions about any parts of this video, drop those in the comment section below, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Again, if you're interested in purchasing Microsoft Office, Windows 10, Windows 11, remote desktop licenses, or a wide variety of other Microsoft software, check out Indigo Software. We'll put links down below. We strongly encourage any specific video topic ideas that you'd like for us to cover. And lastly, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated as it helps to support the channel. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.